come with me to a drive-through safari park. So you take your own car and you get to drive and feed all these exotic animals. And honestly, they were kind of greedy, but it was such a cool experience to see all these animals up close. Like, I've never seen a zebra this close, or a llama, and I've always wanted to touch cows, and my dream came true. Look at the pigs, like, they're just so cute, and they run up to your car because they know you have food. And I don't know, the animals were really gentle and sweet, like they just want food. They're so cute, and I would recommend it to anyone. This specific company was called Lazy 5 Ranch in North Carolina, and it was only $15 per person. And it was such a good experience.